me at earlier, that hey, that evaluation process is
Yep.
is very important. This just gives you it makes it easier. And I know when I was doing it, I just an Excel spreadsheet and taking pictures of charts.
When I started doing it, I didn't know how to use spread. I was doing it by hand. Like I had a piece of paper out and I was recording my trades by hand. And this, you don't even have to worry about recording them. Like you don't have to write down the trade. All you've got to do is import from your, from your broker, your trades, and it automatically gets dumped into here. You can see your rolling profit and loss. Like this is really cool, this rolling P&L, because what it does is it tells you, okay, on this trade, how much did you go into the negative before you went to the positive? Like, did you take this huge intra-trade drawdown before you finally went back up and hit your profit target? It gives you an idea of how much pain you had to absorb in that particular trade, and that may be something that you want to add in there to in terms of your psychology. So this stuff, I mean, it is a really, really, really cool thing. And the name of this thing, if you guys, this is how it's tradervue.com.
Definitely play around with it. It's a great tool.
It's a very, very cool thing. Any other questions? D, are you posting more questions, or are there no more questions? If there's no more questions, we can just go. Because I am
getting down to the hour mark.
We're getting down to the last hour for you guys to get your orders in to get those DSR levels. I'm serious, guys. You think I'm playing? I do not lie. At the end of this hour, you can still sign up for the program. I'd love to have you, but you are not getting those. That's a $500 bonus that we're throwing out there. You're welcome to buy them. It's going to cost you another $500. So get it in now. Do it. Stop messing around. All right. Let me see. Is there anything else you want to? Any other sites that you want to go to? Forex Factory. Everybody kind of knows that, that site.
So the only other one I use, not really important. I use the Market Watch stream for news, but you went over news already.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. One of the other things that we can look at here is this is kind of a cool site, just for fun.
Fun. What's that?
This is called forexlive.com.
Yeah.
And some of you probably know this site. Again, this is not a news thing. It's actually like a scuttlebutt thing. So these guys, the guys who run this thing, I haven't been here in a long time, so I'm not sure how they're doing it now. Well, it looks like maybe they're not doing it anymore. Oh, I guess I should have probably checked this beforehand. Hang on, let me see. Let me just see where it is. Some of you guys may know. But for a long time, what these guys were doing is there were a bunch of former desk traders that started a site where they basically they give you all the scuttlebutt about what all the traders on all the desks are talking about. And they'll say, hey, there's rumors of stops, here or there, and oh, hey, I just heard from this guy that, it's kind of interesting to read. I'm not really sure how you would use it, or I mean, I never really
entertainment, I guess.
Yeah, I never used it as a trade, but it was kind of a cool, unique site that they had that nobody else was really doing. So you might check it out and just see if it's something that would interest you. You bet. You bet. Thank you so much. Can you explain 24-hour DSR? Yeah, the DSR levels that we showed in the program, that is only available if you join the program in the first 24 hours. If you join it after that, you don't get that as a bonus. All right. Donna, your question about Gartley stop loss and stuff like that. Stop loss doesn't change based on where D completes. It doesn't. Profit targets may adjust, and I'll explain that to traders when they come into the program how we deal with that. Do you have an example of a good trade plan? Yes, I absolutely